In order to address conflicts over shared amenities, you first need to review the governing documents to identify what they say about that specific amenity. Oftentimes, homeowners get into disputes as it relates to use of those amenities. Oftentimes, homeowners get into disputes over modifications of those amenities. As it relates to the association and the law that governs the association, you're going to want to look to the declaration specifically. In the declaration, you will see reference to those amenities that are in dispute. And in the declaration, you will often see what can and cannot be done as it relates to those amenities. Oftentimes, amenities are considered common elements. So at the end of the day, the association has the obligation to maintain the amenity. And if a dispute arises as it relates to the amenity, particularly against the association, oftentimes the obligation is going to be on the association to repair that common element or that amenity.